Hello friend, what's going on? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Let's make some short video this time, and as the title says, let's go together see how to check the rear differential oil, right, which is right here in this 2005 it's a Highlander, right, 4-wheel drive. And on the bottom you see the drain plug, right, and checking the fluid level and quality will be on the filler plug right here. Unfortunately, this pipe, the exhaust pipe, is in my way, right, I cannot see it from here, so the camcorder will be in some kind of odd area right here. And hopefully this check and this service will be easy. I will try not to get in your view. These drain plugs are some kind of hacks, right? So now it's just question, what number is it, right? And do we have the winner? Of course they are full of dirt, but so far it looks like a hex number 10, if they are identical. This is obviously the drain, and this is the filler. Let's see, oh yeah, it's fitting there. So it's a number 10 hex. There is not a space for normal ratchet, right? It's limited. So I found this little 3/8 breaker bar. Hopefully that will fit there. And I can undo that filler plug. Oh yeah, that broke loose nicely. As I said, this is limited. What I forgot to say, whenever time you use those hexes, make sure it's all the way in so you don't strip those plugs. In the case it's overfilled, I have oil catching pan here on the ground, but it's coming nicely out. Alright, here is the plug, you can see the detail of it, right? Hex number 10. And how do I check the level? Well, it's simple. If it's not flowing out, you use finger which will fit there, which is your pinky, and you try to touch the level, and the oil should be right there. And as I put my finger there and squeeze that, the oil is actually slightly coming out. Now what's about the quality? How you check the quality? Do you taste it? No, please don't do that. You just have to look if it's clear, right, or if it's heavily contaminated. This one, I will say it didn't look it was serviced forever. However, this oil seems to be good. So I will go ahead and just close it, you know, put the plug back. Since I was just checking, I don't have a new washer, so I will have to reuse that, right? It's unfortunate because we normally change those all the time, right? But it is what it is. And I will write in my report that the oil in the rear diff is still good. And that was one of the many inspections on this 2005 Highlander. If you want to see more about it, make sure you are subscribed, because I'm filming for you way more for this channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.